distinguished guests, proud families, dedicated administrators, faculty and staff, and most especially, our promising graduates of school year 2024-2025. As we celebrate the significant milestone, we are incredibly honored to have with us a speaker who embodies the very spirit of achievement and dedication that we celebrate today. He is a testament to what focus and passion can achieve. It is my distinct privilege to introduce our guest speaker, a proud alumnus of the Systems Technology Institute whose journey is truly inspiring. He completed his high school years in May Kawayan National High School, where he graduated as the valedictorian of his class and a recipient of STI Gift of Knowledge Award. He earned his Bachelor of Science in Computer Science from the Systems Technology Institute, where he graduated with high distinction as magna cum laude. His academic excellence was further recognized with the Best Thesis Award for his innovative 3D Bible game development and the prestigious Civil Service Honor Graduate Eligibility. These early achievements paved the way for a remarkable career. In recognition of his outstanding success, he was also honored as a Distinguished Alumni Awardee by STI. He was the software QA engineer of Northgate Arinso Philippines and Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. He was also the software test engineer of Pactera Malaysia and an IT project manager of Lizard Global Malaysia. He was also an IT project manager of LaurelSoft, and today, he stands as an accomplished IT project manager at Credit Agricole CIB in Singapore, bringing over a decade of experience in meticulously planning, controlling, executing, and closing complex IT projects. He has successfully managed numerous high-stakes projects, deploying over 90 enhancements and 3 major initiatives in mobile applications and banking systems. A true advocate for sharing knowledge, he has previously graced the stage as an inspirational speaker at various events, including Graduation Inspirational Speaker in 2022 and a guest speaker for talks on project management and game development. His commitment to guiding the next generation of leaders and innovators is evident in his continued engagement with academic community. Today, he is here to impart wisdom, share insights, and inspire each one of you as you embark on your next great adventure. Let us extend a warm welcome to a man who truly embodies what it means to be an STI graduate who excels on the global stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Mr. Richard Ace De Leon.
Maayong hapon, SCI West Negros University. Please be seated. Thank you. Hello, Philippines! Hello, world! Ako muna ang magiging kuya nyo for today. I'm your Kuya Chard, and welcome to SCI West Negros University 74th Commencement Exercises Pinoy Big Brother Graduation Edition. Pwede na ba? All right. To our school administrators, to our Executive Vice President and Chief Operations Officer, Dr. Ryan Mark Molina, to our Vice President of Academic Affairs, Dr. Frederick Beroya, to our Assistant Vice President for Human Resources, Ma'am Eunice Custodio, to our OIC of Administrative Support Services Manager, IT System and Services Management Office, Mr. Bo Villanueva, to Ms. Eileen V. Palma, CPA, our Head of Business and Finance Office, Dr. Nore Nietes, our Director of Office of Student Affairs and Services, to Ms. Maylin Bautista, our University Registrar, OIC, School of Graduate Studies, to Ma'am Ginaline Pineda, Principal of School of Basic Education, to Ma'am Mabel Gerud Riagao, our Assistant Principal of Pre-Elementary, Elementary, and Junior High School, and to Ma'am Michelle Espigol, our Assistant Principal for Senior High School. Once again, good afternoon. It is an honor to be here with you today as your resource speaker, but most importantly, as a fellow SEI graduate. And let me tell you, standing on the stage, I feel a mix of joy, nostalgia, and one very real feeling. Kinakabahan po ako. All right, since it's a Pinoy Big Brother graduation edition, let's have a confession room entry number 1. I just want to know, who among you guys has experienced cramming? Yung last minute na paggawa sa mga projects and assignments. Yung todo yung puyat last night before yung mga pasanang projects. Yes, I see hands. And I am one of you guys. And even this speech, last minute, I was only able to polish and finish it last night dahil binusog ako kagabi nila Sir Mark, Ma'am Bel, and Ma'am Eileen. And hindi po ito gawang ChatGPT. It's from the bottom of my heart and from my experiences na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. So before we start, I also have another short kwento na gusto kong i-share, which is my confession room entry number 2. Actually, to be honest, I almost didn't make it to Bacolod. I came all the way from Singapore kahapon, and I had a stopover sa Manila, then to Bacolod in less than 24 hours. It sounds very easy, but not really. Because yesterday, kapon lang din po ako nag-empake, and I realized, hindi ko mahanap yung passport ko. So, grabe yung kaba. So, I searched my bags, yung drawer, pati na din yung ref. Kaya, buti na lang, in the middle of my panic, I reminded myself na, kalma lang, nandyan lang yan. And ayun, buti na lang nakita ko yung passport ko dun sa ibabaw ng table ko. And here I am today with you all. And that little chaos also reminded me that any moment is not just about being perfect. It is about showing up, being calm, even when things doesn't go smoothly on your way. So let's start by talking about the school that we are also celebrating today. SEI West Negros University, once known as West Negros College, began with a vision, not just to educate but also to transform lives. It is a dream of becoming an autonomous university, not just for label or status or para sa hashtag, but to empower students and communities for generations. Now part of SEI Education Network, it continues to dream, giving students access to tech-powered, industry-relevant, and values-driven education. So in short, hindi lang ito basta eskwelahan. Ito ay naging tulay, a bridge between potential and purpose. And today, you are proof that the dream lives on. At higit sa lahat, you are the first batch of graduates of SEI West Negros University as an autonomous academic institution. Palakpakan niyo po ang inyong mga sarili. You know, that is historic. Now I have another confession room entry number 3. As your fellow STIer back in college, I had my own tasks, challenges, nominations, and eviction moments. But I was blessed dahil bago pa man ako tumungtong sa college, I was given a chance by STI. And I was given a SEI Gift of Knowledge Scholarship as I graduated valedictorian when I was in high school. But that doesn't give me the immunity against sa mga challenges. You know, I took up Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, but I don't even have my own laptop or computer, only up until third year. Kaya ang madalas kong tambayan noon, either sa admissions office, sa marketing, dahil naging marketing or studio, the big 4 tips para maging big winner din kayo. First, on my big 4 tips is to be silly. STI and working in the real world taught me that learning doesn't have to be rigid. Creativity and curiosity were always encouraged. Kahit sa mga group projects, student events, or kahit sa mga mistakes that turned into lessons. You know, during my time with STI, I also remember, isa ako dun sa mga pabibong students. Lahat yata nung events ay sinalihan ko, from Battle of the Bands, Hataw Sayaw, Quiz Bee, mga orgs and clubs, extempore, public speaking, programming, halos lahat yan, sinalihan ko. Kahit minsan madalas natatalo, but I still always join and sali lang ng sali. I learned how to enjoy the process, not just the results. You know, life will get serious. There will be deadlines, responsibilities, pero wag niyong kakalimutang umiti. Chill and enjoy. Do your TikTok dance like no one's watching. Make memes. Share stories. Being silly doesn't mean that you're not serious. It means that you're also human. Tao ka pa din. And never lose your spark. Because joy, it will be your secret weapon. Second on our big 4 tips is to be honest. You know, in the world full of AI, filters, fake news, honesty and truth will be your superpower. Maging totoo ka sa sarili mo. And be real with what you feel. Be true with what you want. Tell the truth even when it's hard. Also, ask for help even when it's awkward. Maaring makalimutan ng tao kung ano yung mga nagawa mo. Pero hindi nila makakalimutan na naging genuine ka. Na ikaw ay nagpakatotoo. So third big message is to be kind. Because everyone's fighting a battle. Whether you are at school, at work, online, or kahit sa outside world. Always choose kindness. Kindness is not just about saying po or opo or saying salamat or pagiging mabait. It's also about listening, helping, lifting someone up even if you're tired. Tulad ng ginawa ng mga magulang natin na kahit mahirap at kahit pagod na sila ay pinilit pa rin nila tayong makapagtapos. And also, the community at STI was always there. They are being supportive, understanding, and inclusive. That spirit of kindness, of lifting each other's up, helped me also to believe in myself, even when I doubted. Kaya naman, ang last message ng Big 4 is to be consistent. You know, because excellence is a habit. Success isn't built on big, flashy moments or sa dami ng comments, likes, at subscribers. It is built on small daily choices. Sa pagising natin sa umaga, showing up on time, and even doing your best when no one claps. That's what it means to sustain excellence. It is not about a finish line. It is the mindset. And speaking of finish line, just want to share also. I think this is confession room story number 4. Aside from being an IT project manager, on weekends, I am also a dragon boater. Nagsasagwan ako for leisure and minsan I do it for competition. You know, dragon boat is a sport where you row with a team in perfect rhythm. Kahit na napakataas ng araw at sobrang init, kailangan mag-paddle kayo ng sabay-sabay. Dragon boat also has taught me that in life you also have to be consistent. And you don't win just by being the strongest paddler, but you win by being consistently in sync, even when you're tired, paddle lang ng paddle because you're part of something bigger. And that's the same in life because you will face pressure. Sasakit yung katawan nyo, mapapagod pati utak nyo, and you'll even wonder, kaya pa ba to? Worth it pa ba yung mga ginagawa ko? But still, you will keep on rowing, tuloy lang sa pagsagwan, even if napakahirap na, you will still believe in your team, in your vision, and in yourself. You'll get there. And when you stay consistent, step by step, sumakses ka eh. So, what's next? Ano yung susunod na hakbang sa college life and when you work professionally? I could say na para itong real life Pinoy Big Brother. But instead of having your kuya or CCTV cameras around you, it will be your professors, your clients, yung bills, pressure. Wala nang confession room, but there will be Google Calendar, performance reviews, and one-on-one with your bosses. There will be no house challengers, no more voters, dahil ikaw ang pipili at magsasave sa sarili mo. But there's also a twist. In college and in outside world, you're both the contestant and the host. You get to decide how you play the game. Kung sino yung mga i-evict mo at kung sino yung mga pipiliin mong makakakolab mo to define you and define yourself as the big winner. Kaya nga sabi dun sa kanta ni Darren Espanto, no, di ba? Paalam muna sandali, kailan ba naging madali? Kahit ayaw kong sa akin mawalay ka, walang magagawa. Yan. Dito ako kinakabahan. You may be missing your classmates for a while, pero for sure, magkikita pa din kayo sa takdang panahon. And I hope that you will continue to aral to be more with STI because you're also made to be more. Ready na ba yung step para later? And also, you don't need a reality show to prove that you're a big winner. You don't need to have everything figured out. You just need to take step by step by being silly, by being honest, by being kind, and by being consistent to sustain excellence and inspire the next generation. Kaya naman mga kapamilya, kapuso, Team Online, teachers, parents, and graduates, this is your Kuya Ace. This is your big night. Muli, binabati ko ang batch 2025. Magandang hapon at mabuhay ang kabataang Pilipino.
Maraming salamat, Big Brother. And to express our heartfelt appreciation for Big Brother, Sir Richard's inspiring words and presence today, we would like to present him with the plaque of recognition. And may I ask Dr. Ryan Mark Molina, our EVP and COO, and Ma'am Ginaline Pineda, our SBE Principal, to present the plaque. Let me share with you the citation of the said plaque. Plaque of recognition is presented to Mr. Richard Ace De Leon as the guest speaker during the 74th commencement exercises with the theme STIWNU Sustaining Excellence, Inspiring Generations, presented this 4th day of July 2025 at Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines, signed by the University Registrar, Ms. Maylene Bautista, the chairman also of the graduation committee, and our Executive Vice President and COO, Dr. Ryan Mark Molina. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us give our guest speaker a round of applause. Thank you to our presenters.